Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Divine Confetti in Sekiro. This essential item is your key to defeating formidable apparition-type enemies, like the Headless and Shichaimen Warrior. Early in your journey, Divine Confetti is a rare find, often dropped by specific foes. You can begin your search by farming the purple-robed samurai found within Ashina Castle. These elite enemies, particularly those near the upper tower antechamber sculptor's idol, offer a chance to acquire this valuable resource. As you progress further into your adventure, more consistent farming locations for Divine Confetti will emerge. Consider exploring the Ashina outskirts, where certain enemies may yield this precious item. Additionally, the eerie Mibu village presents another potential source. To maximize your chances, remember to activate the Bell Demon, which significantly boosts item drop rates from defeated foes. This strategy will help you accumulate a good supply for upcoming challenges. The most consistent and reliable way to acquire Divine Confetti is by purchasing it from various merchants throughout your journey. Fujioka, the info broker, after you rescue him and he relocates to the dilapidated temple, will eventually stock this item. Furthermore, the Memorial Mob merchant found within the Mibu village also offers it for sale. Each piece typically costs 300 sen, making it an accessible option once you have enough currency. For an unlimited supply of Divine Confetti, you must reach a specific point late in the game. After successfully defeating the formidable True Corrupted Monk boss, merchants will begin to offer Divine Confetti for purchase without any quantity limits. This crucial milestone ensures you will never run out of this vital item for the remainder of your playthrough. Stock up generously to prepare for the game's most challenging boss encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.